If you want to record phone calls on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then the first thing that you can do is simply check if you have a built-in option. In some regions or in some countries, there is a built-in option that allows you to start recording a phone call, and this option is accessible in the call menu over here or by tapping on these three dots. In my case, unfortunately, it is not available. Now, this seems to be the case for most of the smartphones in Europe, unfortunately. So as an alternative, what we have to do is we need to simply download an app that allows us to record phone calls. So we have to go to the Play Store, and then we need to simply search for Caller Recorder. And you will be able to find a bunch of different apps. As you can see, there's lots of them that we can try out. And you can try to simply find your favorite one. And if it works, then of course good. You can use that in order to record. Most of them actually have automatic recording as well, so you don't have to do anything in order to record calls. And in some cases they are manual, so you will have to, for example, go into these apps and turn them on. But this is how we can actually record phone calls, simply by using third-party apps. So feel free to try any of these apps, and you can also let me know in the comments if any of them actually work, if they managed to be working just fine on your Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE.